Educational content. Simple, clear, and respectful. Hey there. In this video, we'll explain male anatomy in simple words without shame, myths, or confusion. Let's start from the top, the bladder. This is the organ that stores urine. It connects to the urethra, which carries the urine out of the body. Just below the bladder is the prostate gland. It produces the fluid that mixes with sperm to create semen. Behind the prostate are the seminal vesicles. They add nutrients to help the sperm survive and move. Next, the penis. It has three main structures, two corpora cavernosa and one corpus spongiosum. Inside runs the urethra. It carries both urine and semen. Sperm is produced in the testicles, located in the scrotum. From there, it travels through the vas deferens, joins with fluids from the prostate and seminal vesicles, and exits through the urethra. And now a fascinating fact. An erection isn't just about desire. It's the result of a complex interaction between the nervous system and blood vessels. Blood fills the erectile tissue, making it expand and harden. Understanding anatomy isn't just for doctors. It's about knowing your body, taking care of your health, and respecting yourself and others. This is educational content created to inform and inspire. If you're curious to learn more about how your body works, follow us. We are just getting started. This content is made to inform and inspire. So if you want to learn more about human anatomy and health, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching Your Body, Your Health, Your Respect.